Hey guys, so today I used the BFF palette from Bh Cosmetics. I do have to do this quickly because my camera is dying. I forgot to charge it last night, so I'm gonna go ahead and just jump into the video. But if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so that was it. I hope you enjoyed the video and you got some inspiration. Definitely check out this palette. It's really pretty. I really like it. I love Bh Cosmetics shadows. They're super easy to blend and they look great. So it's an affordable brand. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here because my camera battery is just blinking at me. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one.